In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Beehiiv. We'll move from a blank canvas to a polished starting point using Beehiiv's built-in builder, so you can start collecting signups and showcasing your brand quickly and confidently. Begin on your Beehiiv dashboard. From here, head to the website section in the left-hand menu, then open the builder. This takes you into a guided experience designed to set the foundation of your landing page fast. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Beehiiv updates their UI from time to time, but the flow is the same. First, you'll see prompts about your topic, your brand, and the purpose of the page. Fill these in clearly and concisely. Think of this like your creative brief. Define who the page is for, the main value you promise, and the single action you want visitors to take, usually subscribing. A crisp purpose here helps the template and defaults align with your goals, so take a moment to get this right. When you're satisfied, continue to the next screen. Now it's time to choose a template. Browse the options and focus on structure rather than colors or fonts. You'll customize those soon. Pick a layout that naturally supports your goal. For example, if you plan to highlight benefits and testimonials, select a template with clear sections for those. If you want a minimalist sign-up focus, choose a simpler hero-led layout. Remember, templates are starting points. You can adjust sections later. Once you've selected the best fit, move forward. Next, set your color palette. Choose hues that reflect your brand's tone, bold and energetic, calm and trustworthy, or clean and neutral. If you have existing brand colors, match them here. Keep accessibility in mind by ensuring strong contrast between text and background, especially for buttons and headlines. Limiting yourself to a primary color and one accent often keeps the page cohesive. When the palette looks on-brand and readable, proceed. Then customize typography. Pair a clear, legible body font with a distinctive heading font to create hierarchy. Aim for generous sizes on headlines, comfortable line spacing for body text, and good readability on mobile. Avoid overly decorative fonts for paragraphs. Save personality for headings and buttons. If you're unsure, choose a modern sans serif for body copy and a slightly stronger weight for headings. When everything feels consistent and professional, click Start Building. That's it. The builder has laid the groundwork. You're now ready to refine copy, adjust sections, and bring your message to life with confidence.